In this video, I will tell you how you can make a shorter link for your website. But before that, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. So, like this is my link of my website, as you can see, which is too big. So, if I want to shorten this link, first of all, I need to go to Google and write here Goo.gl URL shortener. After that, you can see this link goo.by. Just click on this, and here you can see you have option to paste a long URL. So just copy the link of your website or any link you want to short and paste it here. Now here you have a button shorten URL free. So after clicking on that, you are asked for to log in. Just go and log in. And if you don't have already account, just click on register, sign in with Google, choose your Gmail ID and click on continue. Now you can see this dashboard here, and just paste that URL here and click shorten. So now as you can see, you have a QR code and a short link for your website. If you copy this and paste it here, you will see it will redirect you to the same page here. So that's how you can permanently make a shortener URL for your website, because in few website it makes a temporary shorten URL. And you also have analytics over here. You will get to know if someone click here, it will be shown here. All the statics and all the links you made will be shown here, and a lot of other things. You have options, all options here. So there are a lot of other websites like Bitly. You can also go there and make a short link. So that's for the video. If you like that, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.